Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Taobao app in English using the latest 2025 version. First of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Here in the search bar you need to search for Taobao. Once you are able to find the application, you need to tap on it and you need to download and install it in your device. Now it is the official app by Alibaba Express. So once this app is installed successfully, simply tap on the open button. Once you open it, everything will be in the Chinese language. So here tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Provide your phone number. Then choose your country code and enter your phone number and verify a code. Then you need to set a strong password for your account and complete your setup. Now once this step is done, in the new version you can basically support English. For that, once you are logging into your account, you need to tap on the gear icon. That would be your settings. In your settings you need to go to language and see if English is available here. Now, as I said earlier, with the latest version of Taobao, English is available. So you need to select English and your region and you need to switch it there. If you don't see the English option, it means that that option is not available in your country. If that's the case with you, you can use the Google Authenticator or any phone's built-in translation feature. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.